So you chose to build a Blazor web application using the new Blazor Web App template, but you're not quite sure which interactive render mode to use. Let's take a quick look at what each of the modes does, and that'll help you decide which one to choose. First, we have interactive render mode of none. This first option is the default behavior by Blazor. It will render the Blazor components statically on the server with no interaction from the user at all. Next up is Blazor Server. This means when your users interact with the web page, the server will handle all of those UI interactions and re-render the pages for the user. Next is Blazor WebAssembly. This means that your browser is running the .NET runtime and all user interactions are handled by the browser and rendering is happening in the client as well. Finally, there is the auto render mode. This is a new feature of .NET 8 and it renders both on the server and on WebAssembly depending on what resources are available for your clients. This option requires a little more setup, but it's a great way to balance between the two different models. Hopefully this helps you decide which one to use when you're starting your next Blazor app.